One thing about the Enochian material of D and Kelly, however, that is particularly of note regarding the cybernetics aspect, the Book of Soyga. Or do either of you know of that?
No.
Um, I believe it's called Liber, Soyga, Voiga, Sotar, or something like that. It's a book of um, leaves that are just encrypted acrostics. They're number squares, or not number squares. They're letter squares. They're just squares that just have apparently random letters in a square formation. It's obvious that this inspired John Dee. He had a copy of it, we know, and it's obvious that it was inspirational for his work, Liber Lagoeth. But this applies to cybernetics because if you take these stacks of leaves and there's, say, 72 stacks by 72 leaves by and each leaf has 72 letters by 72 letters across and up and down. It makes a cube. It makes an acrostic letter cube, which is essentially like a prototypical computer or hard drive, sort of, insofar as it serves to store information in an encrypted form that's also a structure.
Mm.
In a sense, almost a crystalline structure, very similar to modern computers. Um, and the reason I bring that up is because of the Book of Soyga being influential on Dee's Liber Lagoeth and into modern computing technology. And then I used Chat GPT to try to decode John Dee's Liber Lagoeth from its Enochian language translation. It was the Enochian language is called the Enochian language by John Dee and Edward Kelly, and it's a collection of alphabetic letters that they invented or discovered that are just substitutes for regular Etruscan or what is it, Latin letters that we use now. And then he created the four watchtowers and labeled them each with the Enochian letters. And he wrote the book Liber Lagoeth, which has many more letter squares that can be formed into a letter cube also, that are all in Enochian. I tried to use ChatGPT as a modern equivalent of that same sort of system in order to try to decipher or decompress the original data as it was expressed in Liber Lagoeth, and I got some varied results. I'm going to publish that hopefully as my next book after Metatron's Wings.
Very cool.
So that'll be something to look forward to.